Yo, yo, yo. What's going on YouTube? This is Lyndon RC215 and back with another video. And yes, I crossed over, baby. Yes, sir. As you can see, got my first hobby grade RC airplane. Yes, yes. Shout out to Pilot Ryan Media. Shout out to Jeff for Lower Alabama. They gave me a couple of ideas like which beginner planes I should get, and I went with this one right here from Hobbyzone, the Duet S2. This is the second model. It was a model before this one, but I got this one. Yes, sir. Today we're gonna do an unboxing. Yes, sir. I'm about to become a pilot. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna get everything out the box, and we're gonna see what this thing come with. All right, I'll be right back. All right, we back. As you can see, I got everything out the box. So I'm start with the least to the most important. So you get your instruction manual, your sticker, and all the other types of things that you need. Instructions to begin to learn how to fly. It comes with a battery charger. This little, and it comes with the battery included. Sorry for dropping that. But this is a little 1S 3.7 volt, 150 amp, 25C little LiPo battery. I guess you say you can get like 10 minutes of flight time. It comes with your AA4 batteries you get for the transmitter right here, and here's the transmitter. Looks like a little game control transmitter, but it got your functions on here. I'm not gonna really go through them because I haven't read the instructions yet. So, but I know this is your throttle right here, and this one right here. This is your bank left and bank right. But I ain't gonna get too much into that because I'm still a beginner, so I'm learning on the go. And as you can see, I go to Duet S2. Pretty little nice airplane, RC airplane from Hobbyzone. Yes, sir. It's for beginners. That's me. You know. But yeah, man, I'm happy. Oh yeah, and I purchased another battery too, a Spectrum. They got the Spectrum batteries for this. You get more runtime, more milliamps. Get runtime with it. So I will be getting another battery for this, and hopefully soon I can, when the weather is just perfect and nice, I can get out and start learning how to fly this. But yeah, man, you can get this off of VerizonHobby.com or Amazon. Which I got mine off of Amazon Prime. I think it ran about like $85. It's not a bad price for a beginner drone. Yeah, as you can see, forgot the transmitter is a 2.4 gigahertz. You can fly this. It's a 3-channel. It's ready to fly. Everything's included, man, as you can see. But yeah, man. Oh yeah, the motors on the plane are brushed. These are brush motors. Right here on the side, they're brush motors. As you can see, the battery goes right here. It has like a little, I don't know if you can see it up right there, but it's a little Velcro strap for the battery to hold on into. There go your landing wheels, front and back. Yeah, man. But I ain't gonna get too much in depth with it because I'm still a beginner. I don't know everything about RC planes yet. So, I mean, if you want to learn more about these, you probably gotta go to Pilot Ryan Media, Jeff from Lower Alabama, all the fly guys, the fly boys. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, my first RC airplane. Yes, sir. But I just want to give a shout out to urbanlegend.com. Yeah, I mean, he was like, Lyndon, we got to get into the planes. I said, bet. Gotta give a shout out to again Pilot Ryan Media, Jeff from Lower Alabama. Shout out to them guys, man, for giving me some good information on some beginner airplanes. Shout out to the Fun Zone. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. You know what I mean? So with that, this was my first unboxing of a hobby grade beginner RC airplane. Next video, you might see me flying it, but I'll probably be flying it off camera to learn how to fly. And then when I get the hang of it, I'll have a video of me flying it. But yeah, man, this was an unboxing of this thing. Appreciate y'all for watching, and I catch y'all in the next one. Peace.